Hey everyone, Jay here. The company sent this out for my honest opinion and review on, so let's get to it. What this is, it changes over your Switch to be more of a handheld device that you're able to kind of mount to and make it super easy to change over the controls. It makes it like a handheld controller, which all you have to do is link it to your controller settings and then you'd be good to go. So don't forget, you need to change it over to your Bluetooth settings. And then once that's connected, it's super easy to just use. Once it's connected, it's just like a normal controller that you would have on like a normal gaming system, such as like a Xbox controller or PlayStation controller. For example, right here I'm playing the duck game and it's super easy to do. All I had to do is connect it once and then I'm good to go. So right here it's showing you the changing of the controller and how to pair it. It's incredibly easy. You just want to make sure you use the other controller to set it up or your finger with the touchscreen because it won't automatically connect. You got to connect it via Bluetooth. You still have access to ports and all different triggers. Thanks for watching.